To add us to your Google Analytics account, first log into analytics.google.com. You should end up at a dashboard similar to this. In the left column, the last option is admin. Once you click on that, then you're going to go to Account Access Management. From here, you'll need to click in the top right, the plus, Add Users. Put in each email address that we've requested you to add and choose the Edit button, which highlights the first 3 roles. Optionally, you can check this last one where we can add additional team members if we need to. If you would prefer not to do that, you can leave that unchecked. And if we need to add another team member, we will just email you and ask you to go through this process again. Once you're done, just hit the Add button, and that will send the invites to our team to get started on analytics. Thanks.